Extreme Rules match. And is for the Total Non-Stop Action Women's World Championship.
Remember, guys, the title is on the line here in this one.
And I don't remember the last time the champ was in this much jeopardy, Cole. Tonight might just be the night the title changes hands.
Perhaps the biggest opportunity of her career tonight, but she is more than ready for the challenge.
Gentlemen, I think she's about to start a fight.
Big match here, guys, as the title will be on the line tonight.
And the champ has looked dominant of late, but all it takes is one wrong move, and that title could be going home with somebody else.
This may be her biggest title defense yet.
Introducing the challenger from Long Island, New York, the Outlaw, the Future, Willow. And her opponent from Manchester, England, the Total Non-Stop Action Women's World Champion, Catherine.
Intensity on the face of the champion. Challenger in the corner, looking more determined than I've ever seen. Championship action underway. The champ looks as hungry and prepared here as ever.
Yeah, they have absolutely no desire to even entertain the possibility of walking out of here tonight without their title.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow. Climbing to the top rope. Soaring. Big miss right there. Reversal. Can she capitalize?
Wait for it. Boom! Alabama slam.
Being able to pull that off, no one is going to question if you...
Had it scouted. Placed in the corner. Crushed in the corner. Running.
Sentai.
How does one best take advantage of the Extreme Rules environment?
Quite simply, if you can dream it, you can do it. This isn't the time to be timid. This is the time to leave it all in the ring.
And back into the ring she goes. Absolutely no telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
Oh, man. Obviously hoping to take things to the next level with this ladder. Sentai hits the target.
The champ now absorbing a little damage.
She's managing to get some control back now.
Could be a good chance for her to get some distance.
Elbow thrown, saying not today.
midsection.
Leg drop. The champion into the cover. Up with the pin technique.
Standing moonsault gets all of it.
Agility like that. This one cannot be lost by countout. Re-entering the ring now. And she's stunned in the corner.
Oh, goodness. Wasn't expecting a kick to the face.
Oh, shotgun drop kick.
The 110th Street Slam.
She had it scouted.
Oh, no. She could be caught here. Bad situation for her.
Remarkable power being shown here. Submission lock.
She won't fade. She just won't fade. She keeps fighting.
Spine buster. And she can't find a response for this assault.
Yeah, she needs to create an opportunity for herself.
Incoming. She certainly took a chance there.
High risk with no reward.
Sit out power bomb.
More power moves like that, and we could be looking at a new champ in no time, gentlemen.
Oh, she calls it the rear view.
Oh, unique offense.
Sure was pretty, but we don't judge matches on style points.
Getting this sledgehammer has emboldened her. This sledgehammer, how do you recover from that?
Moves outside. What's the plan here?
What a counter. Oh, what a forearm.
Targeting the stomach to reverse that maneuver. And gets tossed back into the mat. What a punch. Oh, could this be it?
The champ has this one in hand now.
That's gotta be it. Two. What a kick out. I don't believe it.
Just barely able to kick out. I thought the champ had it in the bag.
This is how much the championship means. You can see the sweat drip out of the challengers every pore.
A big opportunity falling through the...
Series of clotheslines delivered by this competitor. Manages to duck out of the ring, followed by a super kick.
Hell has no fury like a woman with a foreign object in hand. Looking like John Henry swinging the hammer like that.
And she's keeping the pressure on here.
She's looking unstoppable, actually. And the damage is just going to keep on coming if you can't find the defense for this. 110th Street Slam.
She shoots up the top rope.
Dangerous thinking.
Sky high. Big height, bigger impact.
Is it enough? The cover. Two. No, she kicks out.
Obviously still has some fight left.
Look at her stumble back up. Probably seeing done. Pedigree.
Now that is why they're the champ.
Retains the title.
Here is your winner, and still total non-stop action, Women's World Champion, Catherine.
She's able to successfully defend her title tonight.
There were a few moments where things were up in the air, but she was able to retain her title like a true champion.